Ever had a client go, "Hey, this PDF is way too big. Can you make it smaller?" Or maybe you're trying to email your design and it's just not sending because it's like half a gig? If you're new to Illustrator and stressing about huge file sizes, don't worry. This video's got you covered with a super simple trick to shrink your PDFs down to almost nothing. Let's dive in. Hey everyone, AndyT here. Welcome back to AndyT Learn Design. Today, we're tackling that exact problem, making your Illustrator PDFs tiny so your clients can open them fast. You got a file sitting at a massive 571 megabytes. That's a beast, right? You might think, no big deal, I'll just export it as a PDF with the smallest file size preset. So let's try that. Go to File, Save as Pick PDF. Select smallest file size under Adobe PDF preset and hit Save. Guess what? The file comes out at 591 megabytes. Wait, it's even bigger than the original? Not what we want, right? Here's the real fix, and it's so easy. Go back to File, Save as, choose PDF again. Now, when the PDF options pop up, find the box labeled Preserve Illustrator Editing Capabilities. Uncheck it. Yep, just click that off and hit Save. Boom. Check this out, the new PDF. It's only 12 megabytes. From 571 megs to 12 megs, you see that? That's a game changer. So what's the difference between these two files? Let me break it down. That heavy 591 meg PDF, you can open it back in Illustrator and edit everything. Layers, vectors, text, all of it just like your original file. The 12 meg one, it's built for viewing or printing. You can still open in Illustrator, but it's not perfect. You might hit issues like wonky display errors or missing fonts because it's missing the full original data. It's awesome for clients to review or for sending to printer, though. Why does this happen? All right, quick techie bit, but I'll keep it chill. That Preserve Illustrator Editing Capabilities option decides if your PDF keeps all the original AI data, like vectors, layers, effects, swatches, the whole deal. When it's checked, the PDF is like a PDF plus AI file, which makes it super heavy but fully editable in Illustrator. Uncheck it, and Illustrator only saves what's needed to display or print, like a regular PDF from any other software. No extra AI data, so the file size drops like crazy. Here's the deal. Keep that option checked if you need a PDF that's also your editable backup. Uncheck it when you just need a light file for clients to check out or for printing. So simple, right? That's the trick. Takes 2 clicks, saves you tons of hassle. Try it out next time your client needs a quick PDF, and let me know how it goes. Drop a comment below, hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.